Welcome to the Jolly Holiday Kitchen. Today we're making smoothie bowls. We have our friends, the Ohana Adventure, to help us. You need a powerful blender that can make this. We're gonna use a Vitamix.
Make sure you put the squishy ingredients in first and the hard ones on top.
What?
That'll help it blend and not get stuck.
This is all the ingredients that you need. You're gonna need a packet of acai. What's acai? It's a powerful berry that they found in Brazil. It has a lot of antioxidants. Oxidants? It's a superfood. What we're gonna need is frozen cherries, some frozen blueberries, some frozen pineapple, some frozen strawberries. On the top, we're gonna use granola and sliced bananas. And to make it sweet, we're gonna use honey. We're gonna use green juice from Trader Joe's.
Or you can use pineapple juice,
Almond milk, coconut water, or orange juice, grape juice, or apple juice.
we're gonna put our juice in first.
And now we're gonna do the blueberries.
Blueberry
stain. Now we're gonna use the cherries. We're gonna use strawberries. And we're gonna also use pineapples. Oopsies. Now we're gonna use the acai. It's super messy. Don't get your fingers on it. I want to eat them on your fingers and head. Our dad's gonna help us with the blender. Dad, don't do it yet.
Put it on their square. There you go.
Dad, can I do this part with square?
Sure. I'm start it low.
Okay, now we're gonna carefully get it out so it doesn't splatter.
Now we're gonna sprinkle the granola. Now we're gonna put the bananas in. Now we're gonna drizzle honey all over the top to make it yummy. Let's have someone try it and see if it tastes good. I want to eat it. Wait! Here you go, Claire.
That's really good. I love how it's a little bit crunchy, but there's also some fruit in it, and there's the smoothie. It tastes really good.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And it's up here. No, it's up here. No, it's right there. No, it's not. It's up there. It's up there. Wait, what? We tested our smoothie bowl to see if it stayed frozen after 2 hours. It worked!